Hello guys, welcome to Pro Learning. First of all, I will give you a quick explanation on what is a decimal number and what is a binary number. A decimal number is a number which has a base of 10. A binary number is a number which has a base of 2. A decimal number can include of digits from 0 to 9. A binary number can include of only digit 0 and 1. Now let's see how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. Okay guys, let's consider number 75. This is a decimal number. There are two ways to convert a decimal number into a binary number. Let's see what is the first method. In the first method, we have to divide the decimal number by 2 until it gets 0. 75 divided by 2 is 37. The remainder will be 1. 37 divided by 2, it will be 18. Remainder is 1. 18 divided by 2, it will be 9. The remainder is 0. Likewise, 9 divided by 2 is 4. The remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. The remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and the remainder is 0. 1 divided by 2 is 0, the remainder is 1. Now you have to write this number string from the bottom to top. Likewise, the answer will be 10010111. This is the binary number of the decimal number 75. Okay, now let's learn what is method 2. As I told you guys earlier in the beginning of this video, a binary number is a number which has a base of 2. So that you have to write a string like this. I have stopped writing the string from 2 to the power 7, but you guys can write further as needed. 2 to the power 0 will be 1. 2 to the power 1 will be 2. 2 to the power 2 will be 4. 2 to the power 3 will be 8. Likewise, 16, 32, 64, 1 to 8. Since the decimal number we are considering is 75, we will consider the string up to 64. Now let's see how we are going to convert this 75 into binary number. First of all, you have to subtract this from 75. It will be result in 11. Now let's take this 11 to here. Now let's see which number is lesser than 11 in this string. It is 8. So we will be subtract 8 from 11. It will be 3. Now let's take this 3 here. Now let's see what is lesser than 3 in this string. It is 2. Now let's subtract 2 from this 3. It will be resulting 1. Now you guys can add these numbers and it will be 75. Let's write the same number string below here because I wanna make it more easier for you guys to understand. Okay, now let's see what are the numbers we have used. We have used 1, 2, 8 and 64. Let's mark them as 1. We haven't used 32, 16 and 4. Let's mark them as 0. So the binary conversion of decimal number 75 is going to be 1001011. We have learned two methods to convert a decimal number into a binary number. You can use either of them which you are comfortable with. Before ending this video, let me remind you another important fact. When you are writing a binary number, make sure you set the base to 2. Because let's say you write 1 0, somebody can say this is a decimal number, somebody can say this is a decimal 10, and another one can say no, this is a binary number. So to avoid that, make sure you set the base to 2. Now it's confirmed that this is a binary number. So guys, thank you for watching my video and subscribe me for more content.